अकेली हूँ, मैं कहाँ देखूँ, मैं क्या करूँ. I'm just like all alone over here and I'm sitting and talking to you guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Lifeaholic. My name is Anupama and today's video is going to be something very special. I'm going out on a lunch date. Now what makes it special is that I am going out with someone who's very special to me, and that is me. I have been contemplating this from a very long time. I see a lot of people who go out alone, who go to movies alone, who go for meals alone, and I have always wondered ki how does it feel? Does it feel good? Does it feel awkward? Or does it feel liberating, as a lot of people say? So I thought ki aaj main plunge le hi leti hu and let me go out and find out whether it is actually going to be awkward or not. Now I'm not going to any cafe with my book or with some work and I'm just going to sit and work there. I'm not going to do any of that. I'm just going to actually go out and take myself on a date. I'm going to do everything that is done on a date. This is going to be fun. Plus on my channel I have always spoken about self-love and self-care and self-pampering and all those things, and I think it's very important to spend time with yourself, spend some quality time with yourself. This is something which I always believe in. This is just something that I want to also start exploring. I have never ever done in my life. I've always had company. Of course, I'm not going to be completely alone. You guys are also going to be there with me. So let me go out and see कि कैसा लगता है, क्या लगता है. Let me put myself in that awkward situation and let me see how I emerge. And since I'm putting myself in that awkward situation and recording everything, I think I deserve a like for this video, and please do click on that subscribe button and let's go. So we have come out right now and I know कि मैं अकेली डेट पे जा रही हूँ, but I still got dressed up. That's how dates are supposed to be, right? There is something that I really wanted to do on this date and you're going to shortly see what that is. A flower for myself. This is something which I wanted on dates, but मुझे कभी मिला नहीं है. So what? I'll give this flower to myself. Okay, so the place that we are going to is pretty nearby, so I thought I'll walk it up. I have ordered a lot from there and every time their food has been great, so I thought that let me just go to their cafe. And वहाँ पे बहुत सारा अच्छा dishes मिलता है, healthy food, but they're all like very tasty. That is where we are going to. अभी फ़िलहाल बहुत ज़्यादा धूप है, बहुत ज़्यादा है. Still I thought it's better to walk so that I can chit chat with you guys. ये place जो है, this is recently opened up, a small cute cafe. I've seen it from outside. मैं कभी अंदर गई नहीं. उनके यहाँ से मैंने बहुत बार Zomato से order किया है. मैंने किया है, साहिल ने किया है, मेरे घर वालों ने किया है, and they have just never disappointed us. By the way, Zomato से याद आया, Zomato को issue चल रहा है. I hope you guys have heard about it. एक सेकेंड ना, क्रॉस करना है. Yeah, as I was saying, Zomato का issue चल रहा है जहाँ पे खाना लेट हो गया था and the lady claims, the customer claims that the Zomato guy punched her और उसके नाक को चोट भी लगी थी, खून भी बह रहा था. वो कट देके मुझे पंच जैसा कट तो नहीं लगा था, but let's see, कोर्ट में चल रहा है, so let's see what the decision is. मुझे तो नहीं लगता कि the girl is telling the truth. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि the बेचारा Zomato guy, I think the girl must have been rude with him. Let me know what your opinion is. आजकल तो न्यूज़ में वही चलता रहता है. Okay, now we have reached the worst part of this walk. ये थोड़ा चढ़ाव है and धूप में ऐसा चलना is difficult. Do you guys recognize this garden? This is the same garden where me and Sahil had come on Valentine's Day. See, this is the garden. मेरे उस वाले वैलेंटाइंस वीडियो पे आपने देखा ही होगा. अगर आपने वैलेंटाइंस वीडियो देखा नहीं है तो I'll put it up in the I button. Go check it out. And yeah, feels good. It actually feels like a real date because मैं बहुत तैयार होके निकली हूँ, ऐसे नहीं कि अकेली जा रही हूँ तो मैं बस एवे एवे जा रही हूँ। Let me put my mask on because there are some people here. अभी तक तो everything is okay because I'm still walking. It's only when I go for lunch तब मुझे पता चलेगा अकेले होने का क्या pros and cons है. Let's see. Okay, रास्ते पे एक लड़की मिल गई थी. She wanted to inquire about the camera that I'm using. लगे हाथ मैंने उसको subscribe करने को भी बोल दिया. Anyways, we have now reached the place. So we have finally come to this place. This place is nice. I'm gonna show you around. This is the restaurant manager, Jane. Hi. Right now we have ordered for Thai lemon bowl. So that's like a wholesome kind of salad. There are a lot of things. So I think I'll not be hungry after this lunch. That's what is in the making. So meanwhile, Jane, if you could just like tell me a little bit about this place. Generally, हम लोग healthy खाने को tasteless खाने के साथ associate करते हैं, but this food is awesome. It's just so tasty.
So that was the main idea of the owner. She wanted to get healthy food in a way where people, enjoy the food. Always there's a misconcept that healthy food is like घास फूस, उसमें क्या मजा है and all. This is a place where you get delicious healthy food, you can say, which will not only like get your taste buds up, but you'll also want to have healthy food again and again.
How long has this place been?
We've opened on 25th of December.
Okay, and
Yes.
this is the first.
This is the first outlet.
I'll leave the link to the location of this place in the description box, and also their Instagram account. I will leave it in the description box. Do check it out. Do come here if you are around in this area, or if you're not, make a trip and come and visit here. You'll really love this place. It's so damn cute. So अभी खाना आने वाला है. Let's keep our flour aside. Plan to come here. This is an absolute must try. It's so tasty. By the way guys, मेरा last video भी कुछ थोड़ा health related ही था. If you've not seen that video, वो भी मैं I button पे दे दूँगी. So you guys must be thinking कि यार has this channel changed into some nutritional channel? But ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. It's just like I really like this place, and sometimes you just feel like having something healthy. Since today is a self-care, self-love kind of a day, सोचा कि थोड़ा सा nutritional खाना भी खा लेती हूँ. That does not mean that I have given up my other खाना, my French fries, my junk food and everything. No, never. Starting में when I came, I was feeling a little awkward कि मैं अकेली हूँ, मैं कहाँ देखूँ, मैं क्या करूँ. I don't want to be completely on my phone, so I'm just not doing anything and I'm just sitting here. But right now I'm like a little bit at ease, a little bit comfortable, and I'm just like, okay, this is not that bad. This is not as bad as I thought it would be. If you guys also have done something like this, solo koi meal khaya hai, so let me know in the comment section. I would love to read what was your experience like. Did you enjoy it, and how did it make you feel? Also, when you're alone, the one good thing is कि पूरा खाना तुमको किसी के साथ share नहीं करना है. So Joey doesn't like to share food.
Joey doesn't share food!
Salad is done. The bowl was really filling, but I just want to have उनके smoothies भी है, so I think I'll just try one of their smoothies. I'll have a peanut butter and jelly. just ordered for the smoothie and we'll do a takeaway because थोड़ा सा साहिल को भी दे देंगे, बेचारा दाल चावल खा रहा होगा घर पे. अभी आई एम लाइक रियली वेरी कंफर्टेबल. द स्टाफ इज़ ऑल हियर. वो अपना कर रहे हैं, मैं मेरा कर रही हूँ, मैं आप लोगों से बात कर रही हूँ. अभी मैं थोड़ा बहुत कंफर्टेबल हो रही हूँ एंड दिस फील्स नाइस. नॉर्मली एक डेट में होता है ना कि फर्स्ट यू आर लिटिल बिट ऑकवर्ड विद ईच अदर एंड देन यू स्टार्ट getting comfortable and you start enjoying each other's company. वैसे ही मेरे साथ भी हो रहा है. I'm slipping into that comfortable stage. अपना smoothie आ चुका है. Waiting for the bill and once I pay the bill, I'm going home and the date ends. Sahil के लिए I have taken this. Actually Sahil also wanted me to pick up something for him. He wanted me to pick up some ramen for him. मैंने उसको बोला था कि अगर बहुत धूप है तो मैं ऑटो करूँगी. धूप तो है बट बेचारे के लिए ले लेते हैं. साहिल का ramen ले लिया है and we are now headed home. Before that I need to tell you how my experience was. जब मैं निकली थी तो मैं थोड़ी सी डरी हुई थी कि पता नहीं अकेले लंच करने में awkward होगा, funny लगेगा, stupid लगेगा. I'll feel like I want to run home. Did I miss a company? I did, but I'm not feeling odd, which is kind of strange because I always thought it will be. But this felt good. It's not awkward at all and I feel much more at ease with myself. If you guys have enjoyed today's video, please hit like and please do subscribe to my channel. Something I did out of my comfort zone. Please do subscribe to my channel. Show some love. Share this video with your friends and family and go out on your own, go out alone, explore. Next time, going for a movie or a solo trip, you never know. Until we meet again, stay tuned. Bye.